Mangalore, and I completed my engineering in Saidya College of Engineering and Management with a stream of computer science and engineering. And while coming to Jspiders, Jspiders is a very good IT and programming training institute where it is a best platform to learn a coding languages and to build our career. And when coming to faculties and HRs, the faculties in the Jspiders are very well experienced and very good knowledge, and they provided their they shared their knowledge to us, and we learned the programming. And now we are, as a computer science student, to enhance my programming language, I joined Jspiders. And while coming to HRs, HRs are very supportive and they provided many recruitments for us. Thank you.